right, what are we doing to this?
All right, so what we're doing on this golf cart here, well, it's kind of a badass golf cart, but we're installing a trigger 4-way Bluetooth switch to run all the lights and accessories that we're going to have on this particular unit here. And we're going to do something special too up on top. We're also going to be doing a custom rack with a custom light, a new light bar that's going to go on this rack up here as well. So haven't quite decided where that's going to sit yet, but I think we're getting pretty close. So one thing at a time.
Yes, sir.
So let's keep cracking away and see what we can get done today.
Yes, sir.
All right, so up on the lift today, we've got a 2010 Jeep Wrangler, 2-door. We've got a 3-inch zone off-road lift going on there, Dick's CPEC Trail Country tires, Fuel Vectors, Smittybilt HD tire carrier, and a Rough Country pass-through stabilizer. So should be a pretty good turnout. All right, so on this one, we've got a brand new Chevy half-ton. We're doing a Rough Country 6-inch kit with a Vertex coilover system. Customer supplied the wheels and tires, but looks like we're doing some wide fuel assaults on here, so it should look pretty good when it's done. So just picked up Mike's Tundra. You guys have seen it on the channel before. This is the Line X Tundra with an 8-inch ready lift on it. There's ton of stuff done on it. You'll see in another video. But today we are finalizing this build. The last piece of the puzzle is the rear bumper and the rigid lights that are going on this thing. So we'll get it in the shop today and finalize this thing.
All right, well, we're heading up to storage to go pick up the bumper for Chapman's Tundra. Hopping in the old trusty van.
All right, so this is our beautiful extra space storage facility, kind of, sort of. We're just growing so fast that we had to get another building just to put extra stuff in some of our works in progress. Obviously, the Comanche's not here, but we got another work in progress. The old XJ here that really needs some love. We got Matt's LJ sitting right there. Our new car trailer to haul cars back and forth for customers and for us, of course. And you know, today what we're doing is we're taking out a bunch of tires that we're keeping in stock because tires are so hard to come by these days. We just buy them up wherever we can.
Back at the shop, we're gonna get this set down, then bring Chapman's truck in and update you then.
So we are done with Chapman's truck. This is the final piece of the puzzle. I think he's going to be happy with it. We've got the Addictive Desert Design Stealth Fighter rear bumper. I know I mentioned rigid lights earlier. They're actually Pro Max LEDs for the rear, and then threw a fresh set of shackles on there as well. And so, I mean, literally last piece of that thing. And so we got the Recon tail lights and headlights up there. We got the Rough Country rack on the back here. We've got the
8 hours later.
Keep going. We're not cutting this.
I know. I'm trying to remember what brand it is.
It's Mace. I'm looking.
No, it's not.
The strap for the tire?
Yeah, that's not it.
It says
Addictive
Mace.
Desert Design. It's the Addictive Desert Design spare tire mount. Jeez, how did I not remember that? Dick CPAC tires, fuel recoils, really tin can exhaust truck. Jesus. Amp research, steps, ready lift 8-inch, custom exhaust. I mean, this thing's got the whole works. Oh, obviously it's Line X'd as well. So other than that, I mean, he's done. Dingo is done. So we'll get it back to Mike here, and I'm sure he's gonna love it.
What are you up to?
So, working on Flair's cart, and last night Nate and I were here a little bit late and discussing some ideas over a few beers, and we were watching the video from Flair where he talks about getting this thing, and he mentioned that he wants to do, or would love to have the bed portion of it enclosed, because right now the way that it is when you flip out this rear seat here, so obviously the seat's out right now. When you flip it out, it's just completely open, so you can't utilize it as a bed in a sense. So Nate and I got to thinking, and we're gonna do a make a custom metal bed out of this. So we're kind of mocking it up with some cardboard to see exactly what we're going to be looking at, how it's going to function, everything. But right now I'm cutting the tailgate piece, so we'll have a piece that'll come across here. It'll fold down out of the way. We'll have solid panels on the side that'll be cut out low enough for handles and everything. But I don't know, something I feel like would be pretty decent for this thing. So, and get Andrew what he actually really wants out of this thing. So we'll see how it turns out.
Well, I think it's time to go.
It's time to go.